guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Thredup unboxing. If you guys have not seen these before, every once in a while I pick up one of these boxes from Thredup. It's kind of like a mystery box. They basically, I think they call them a rescue box, and they say things that they either don't accept on their site or have tried to sell that aren't selling. They put in these boxes and sell them in bulk, basically. This box I'm super excited about because it's actually a men's clothing box, and if you're not familiar, Thredup actually does not accept men's clothing. So I think a lot of people don't read the details about what to send in and send men's clothing anyway, not really realizing that they don't take it or hoping they'll take it anyways. So I feel like you're more likely to get really good stuff in this box because they're not denying it based on like condition or brand or anything like that. They're just denying men's clothing altogether. So I'm really hopeful for this. I actually have never ordered one of these men's boxes before. I have done purses, shoes, jeans. I've done their fun box and their designer box. I'm kind of working my way through trying all their different rescue boxes. I think they're a lot of fun, and some of them I've actually made pretty decent return on, reselling them on Poshmark or eBay. I think the best, so far I feel like the best ones are the jean boxes. I still really like those jeans boxes. I've done quite a few of them, but the last couple I got were really bad, so I'm kind of taking a break from those and trying some other things. So anyway, like I said, I'm hopeful about this. I do want to tell you guys right out front, I don't know a lot about men's clothing. I very rarely pick it up. Most of the time if I do, it's usually at the bins because the prices are so low, it's kind of worth taking that risk. So that was one of the reasons I ordered this box though, is I feel like it is a good learning experience because they're sending you a bunch of brands that you don't know about. So it gives me the opportunity to sit and research and learn about new brands and find out about what sells for men's clothing. I really want to start picking up more men's and listing more men's clothing. So I feel like this is a good like learning experience and also inventory in one box. So I am looking forward to that. The very first box I ordered from Thredup was a shoe box, and before ordering that box, I really hardly picked up any shoes, and I didn't pick up good ones, that's for sure. But after that box, learning, that was like a huge learning experience. I learned about a lot of new, really good brands from that box, and I've since then started picking up way more shoes because I feel more confident and comfortable with them. So that's what I'm hoping to gain from this, as well as some good inventory. But yeah, that's a super long intro. So let's go ahead and jump in. The reason I was telling you guys that actually is because if you're looking for a lot of insight in this unboxing as to what things are and what they're worth, I probably won't have a lot because this is gonna be kind of new territory for me, I think. Okay, let's get this label out and see exactly what I paid, shall we? Okay, so it was $40. I did have a little bit of credit from selling stuff, but it wasn't much. It was just a few dollars that I had left over. So I think I want to say I paid like $35 or something. It was free shipping because they have like always a free shipping discount for the rescue boxes. It's just rescue if you're interested in trying one out. I will also have a coupon code down below. If you've never ordered from Thredup and you use my code, you do get $10 off your first box. So definitely do that if you haven't ordered from them before. And it says, it doesn't say how many pounds it's supposed to be. I think it was 10 or 15 pounds. I can't remember. I ordered the smaller box of the men's stuff because I was a little nervous. All right, so there is some tissue on top. I'll just hold it up to show you. That's what the box looks like. Let's just dive in. So it looks like some polos sitting right on top here. Oh, this one is Polo by Ralph Lauren in a size large, and it's just a white basic polo. White always makes me nervous, so I'm gonna check it real quick for stains. Actually, this looks like it's in really good condition. I don't see any stains. So this is a brand I'm familiar with. I don't know what the comps are on this, but I wanna say I could probably get between 20 and 25 for that, is my best guess, but I will definitely look up comps on all of these because, like I said, I'm trying to learn here too. Another Polo Ralph Lauren size large as well, so these probably came from the same person. And this is like a pink and blue pinstriped top. It's actually pretty cute. So, okay, first two items. Next up, oh, what is this? This is, oh my gosh, this is funny. This is a Sesame Street t-shirt. It's a 2X, so that's a good size. I don't know if this has any value, but it's cute. It's Cookie Monster, and it says straight outta cookies. So that's kind of funny. I don't know if I'll resell that. We'll look up the comps. It might end up being a bed shirt for me. Okay, next, this feels like wool possibly. This is merino wool from Gap. Merino wool actually sells really well. It's like a more luxurious type of wool. It is just Gap, but it is 100% merino wool. So I think that should sell well. It's a size large, and it's just like a brown V-neck pullover sweater. So, okay, not too bad so far. Nothing like amazing, but it's not bad. Okay, next up, okay, this is a Quicksilver extra large short sleeve button front. And I think this is pink. Yes, it's like a pink and white pinstripe. And all of these are in excellent condition. I don't see any damages on anything yet. Of course, once I get it under my lights and look it over better, I might find some, but everything looks like it's really, really good condition. So, okay, next I see a Mickey Mouse here. This is Disney Parks. I do pick up Disney Parks usually when I find it at the bins, because Disney Parks sells better than like Disney store stuff, because you can only get it in the park, and a lot of times it's like limited edition. But this is again a polo. I feel like a lot of this came from the same person. This is a US size medium, but it looks more like a large. It's pretty big for a US medium. And then it's just a white polo, and it has a little Mickey Mouse right there. That's it. It's pretty basic. So I will definitely list that. Okay, we have a pair of pants next. I feel like this is all from one person's box. I really do. It all looks like the same kind of style, like golfer style kind of. So this is a Banana Republic. It's called the Aiden Chino. It's a 32-32, and it's just a pair of tan khakis. And they're pretty basic, but they do look like they're in good condition as well. Oh wait, there is some damage I just saw. Yeah, on the hem, there's actually a little bit of fraying on the hem here. So I don't know if these actually have much value to begin with, so I'll have to look them up to see if it's even worth reselling with that damage. Usually for damaged items, if it's a higher end item, I might list it with damage, but if it's not gonna sell for very much, it's not worth listing. Okay, this I already know. I think this is a Walmart brand, so this I probably will not list. This brand is called George. I never pick this up when I see it out in the wild. It's a 3X though, so that is a good size, but it's just like a salmon colored, another polo, another golfing polo. Lots of these, maybe not from the same person because they're different sizes, but definitely the same style in this box. What is this? What the heck is this? Okay, so I wish you guys could feel this. This feels like swimsuit material, so I thought it was a pair of swim shorts at first, but it's actually another polo, and it's got like a Hawaiian print, kind of, like a vacation print, I don't know. But it feels like a swimsuit. That is so weird, and it doesn't have a brand. Oh, the brand is Jita? I've not heard of that. This kind of looks like something that you would pick up at a on vacation at like one of those little touristy shops. And it says it's a size large. It doesn't have any brand info here, but it does have a little label right here that says Jita. So I'll look it up, but I have a feeling that's probably got no value. Oof, this box is a little disappointing, I have to say. What's this? Rad Products by Joey B with HBA technology. So this is like a plaid, really lightweight jacket. It almost feels just like a flannel shirt, but it's a jacket because it's like a hooded flannel shirt basically. But it has a built-in speaker. What are these? What is this? Okay, yeah, it has, I don't know if someone would want to buy this because this has obviously been in someone else's ear, but it has like a built-in earbud. So you have, on this side it has the plug-in, but it's the old kind that unless you have one of the older iPhones, I don't know if you can use this. And then it has like an earpiece on this side that's been in someone's ear. So this is a size small, by the way, which is not a great size for men's items, but I I don't know. I'll look up comps. I've never heard of that brand. I don't know anything about it, so I'm not gonna try to guess on that one. All right, next we have Club Room. I think, is this by Charter Club? Club Room, I don't remember. This is what it looks like. It's the size extra large. It's like kind of a brighter orange color, almost like a coral, and it's a short sleeve button front. Another basic men's item. All right, we've got some more pants in here, and these are Valcom, size 32, another pair of just tan, like chino style pants. I've seen this brand, but I've never picked it up. I don't know anything about it, so I will research it and find out if it's any good. Here's another pair, same exact pair. Same size 32. This one has some damage. There's like a hole almost right here. It's like a hole that's starting to form in those ones, so those are probably not sellable. We're almost done already, you guys. This is kind of a disappointing box. Next we have a Gap, size small, and it's a plaid. I can't remember the name of this plaid. Well, you guys can see it. I can't remember the name. It has a specific name. Anyway, it's like blue and white, and it's a button front men's shirt. This one looks like it's in good condition. That one I probably will sell. Okay, and then last but not least, or maybe least, we have a pair of jeans, but they're just from the brand Claiborne, which I don't pick up. It's this Liz Claiborne. It's sold at like, well, I know JCPenney's carries it. I think Macy's used to, but I don't know if they still do. This is, what size? A 36-30, and they're just a basic pair of men's jeans, but there's quite a bit of wear at the bottom here, and it's not a good brand, I already know, so I probably won't be reselling those. Okay, I want to count up how many items there are altogether just to see what my average cost of goods are. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to list all these items, so I will figure out my cost of goods based on how many are sellable. So if I only have 5 sellable, then I'll divide that by what I paid. But total, I'll let you know. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's not that many actually. I thought there would be a little bit more items in here. So let me just do the math really quick because I can't do math in my head. 40 divided by 15. Okay, so my average cost of goods right now was $2.67 per piece. But as I mentioned already, some of these are not in the condition to sell or brands that I would not take the time to sell. If it's gonna sell for less than $15, in my opinion, it's not worth my time listing it because time is money. I'd rather spend my time listing things that I can get a higher amount for. And plus, a lot of times those items I've found, if they're gonna sell for less than $15, they end up sitting so long, so I end up storing it, taking up room in my inventory, taking all the time to go through the process of listing it and everything. So it just doesn't fit in my business model. I don't have a lot of time to spend on this business, so those types of items just are not worth my time, in my opinion. Your business could be different, and I'm not knocking you, it's just not what works for me. So my cost of goods is gonna go up from there. Do I think I'm gonna make my money back? I don't know. $40? I see a couple items I can definitely sell. I'm gonna try to sell this merino wool from Gap. I don't really see any brands that I'm gonna have to research. Honestly, most of these brands are brands that I'm familiar with because there's nothing that's not like a mall brand here. I'm surprised actually with what I got in my box. I kind of was hoping for better stuff, to be honest. But that's what these boxes are all about. It's kind of a gamble. So anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys what I got, and I will definitely give you guys updates. If you guys have any specific questions, make sure you leave those down below. I'll answer as many as I can. If you're interested in anything in this pile, I'm gonna be listing it very soon here. I'm a little behind on listing, but not too bad. So these should be listed within the next week or so. But thank you guys so much for watching this video today. If you want to see more unboxings like this, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.